Do you have a bag? Yeah. Can you give me an oxygen bag too, please? Hey, do we want to just go with this one?
Stay with me, baby.
In a single second, a father watched his world collapse.
She said, baby, my phone. So I see cars coming. I'm like, stop. You know, trying to stop him.
A mother, 2 children, struck down by a hit-and-run driver. No brakes, no help, just chaos.
I heard it. Okay. And then I saw the baby. I was right here, and then I saw the baby go flying and the mom flying. They flew in the air. Okay. About 600 feet. Okay. And then I ran up and I was screaming.
February 10th, 2025, Sarasota, Florida. A night that would destroy a family forever. 29-year-old Taeler Bennett, her 2-year-old son Rio, her 5-month-old baby Kylin, and her partner, 32-year-old Danzel Gallagher, were crossing the street. Taeler's phone slipped from her hand. Danzel turned back for just a second, and in that instant, a speeding silver sedan struck them. The windshield shattered. Taeler and her children were thrown into the air, slammed to the pavement. The driver didn't stop, didn't brake, didn't even look back. They just sped away.
Is he real breathing?
Hey, Oscar! 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 Rescue's here!
Where?
Right here! Get the baby to rescue.
Hey, Taeler! Taeler! Taeler, stop, baby!
Kylin, only 5 months old, dead at the scene. Rio, 2 years old, rushed to the hospital but later succumbed to his injuries.
Is he breathing?
Yes.
Come on, Rio.
Do you have a bag? Yeah. Can you give me an oxygen bag too, please? Hey, do we want to just go with this one?
Stay with me, baby. Stay with me, baby. Stay with me, baby. Stay with me. Oh my God, where's the ambulance? She's coming. Oh my God, she's fine. Run my daughter's right there. How many we got? 1, 2, 3. We got 3. I can't tell how it's feeling or not.
How old is she?
She is she's 29. He is 2, and the other baby's 5 months. Oh my God! Oh my God! Is he okay? Is he breathing? Is he breathing? Is he breathing? Stay with me, baby. You hear me?
Come on, Rio.
Hey, stay with me, baby. Oh my God!
You're not getting
Oh my God, man!
Rio.
Is he okay? Is he breathing? Is he breathing?
We have 3 patients, 1 adult trauma
Oh
decimate, 2 pediatric trauma.
Ronnie!
Are they coming to grab him next?
I think this is a black. I'm not
Detectives arrived. Witnesses were frantically pointing, crying. The silver sedan vanished. Another driver claimed she saw nothing, raising suspicion. But then, a couple came forward.
Is he breathing? We got 1 citizen. He's breathing.
Hey, dude. We can handle it if we need.
Hi there. Is this the one that's injured here? You're okay? So you guys knew her?
No, we weren't.
We weren't. See what happened?
No, I did not.
Right now.
Just hang tight with her for a second.
Yep, absolutely.
How you doing, sweetheart? What's your name? What is it? Ronnie. Nice to meet you. I'm Officer Farina.
Where were you guys going? Were you guys going home? Oh, all right. You never finished telling me about your emails.
Cam, can you just block the exit right here, actually? The speedway, can you block this exit with your car? Thank you.
happened? Take a seat right here, please. Just take a seat. I know. Just take a seat, okay? Sit down.
I was just talking to
It's
them
okay.
there.
Just take a seat, okay?
I got the baby to breathe.
Right, it's a greenhouse. It's the first one. 1915. She's not gonna let you in here.
Sir.
Hold on.
Was she hit by the car at all?
No.
Okay, were you?
No. She dropped her phone over there, right? She said, "Baby, my phone." So I see cars coming. I'm like, "Stop!" You know, trying to stop her. Next thing you know, I hear, boom! I see her flying. Look, I got a daughter. She lives right over there across the street. Who's drinking? That shit's strong. But she has a daughter that's right across the street. She's in there. I need to go get her.
Okay, we'll call her, and I'll send an officer over there. I'm gonna need you to hang out here for a second, okay?
We're never going more than 2 minutes. See what I'm saying? She's seven. I gotta go.
Your daughter?
Yeah, right here.
Is this your daughter also?
This is my daughter too. That's my wife.
Where's
My address is right here, 7.
We'll have an officer.
I got my key.
Okay.
It's 1915.
1915.
1950. It's the greenhouse right there. You can't miss it.
1915. What street? Need you to breathe for your daughters, okay? All right. Let's get your girl. It's okay.
Okay, baby.
Need you a couple breaths before we get here, okay? Here you go, sir. We're gonna walk back over, okay? What's your name, dear?
What's your name, baby? Tell me your name.
Bonnie.
What is it?
Bonnie.
Oh, beautiful name.
Mama, Rio, Ronnie.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, sir, we'll tell him. Everything's okay.
Listen, it's okay, okay?
Everything's all right. You're gonna see a lot of lights.
Mama and the baby, they got bumped by a car, okay?
Yeah, they're just getting looked at.
Listen, they're getting looked at, okay? But it's okay, baby. Listen.
Do you want her shoes for her?
Yes. Hold on, wait, baby. Hold on.
Hey, girls.
I don't know. I don't know. The street.
Hey, baby. We're gonna put your shoes on.
I gotta get off the phone. I need this.
Yeah. Let's.
Come here. Hey, listen. Listen. Yeah, listen. They're gonna be okay. You hear me? They're gonna be okay. You hear me? You know, Daddy loves you, right? Love you, baby.
They had seen the crash. They confirmed the car was a silver 4-door sedan, moving far too fast, throwing 3 lives into chaos in a single second. Investigators worked tirelessly, piecing together the scene. The family's argument in a nearby store? A detail, yes, but nothing could explain what happened on that street. 3 leads, 1 fleeing car, a devastated family, and a community left asking, why?
Were you with them when it happened? Yes. Yeah, we were walking across the street. Coming from the store, and my girl was like, "Oh, baby, I dropped my phone." I'm like, "Okay." So I got everybody over here. I'm not trying to stop the cars. Next, you know, I hear, "Woo!" I just don't understand why she. I don't understand. They got cameras around here.
Yeah, yeah, they have cameras. Did you see the vehicle?
They must have kept going. They kept going.
I don't know.
I don't know. Once I seen them flying, and that was it. And I ran over there, and I forgot. I seen Rio ran, so I had to grab Rio, and then I took my son was in it like a little carrier thing with his wife, with my wife. So I hurried up and unbuckled him. And I gave him to someone. I gave Rio to someone so they could work. And I grabbed Taeler.
Okay. My partner, I know you're going through a lot right now. I'm just here to get some of your basic
Is that her phone?
I'm not sure, but
Baby, hey, Daddy will be right there, okay?
at this point, everything that's within the tape is now part of the crime scene, so it's being treated as such. All right.
Okay.
I have no idea.
Well, I need to know.
I understand. I understand, sir. We gotta let the EMS guys do what they gotta do. Okay.
Okay, I just want to see.
Yeah, absolutely.
I just want to see. That's my son, Rio.
Okay.
Is he breathing? Is he breathing?
I see his chest rising and falling.
He got trouble. Can you tell him that he already got?
I got you. Here, step back for me. So
He
that way
already
they
got
can
like
get in
trouble
there,
with his
okay?
lungs already.
All right. You want to have a seat? Breathe for a second.
Who would imagine? I just don't get it.
Amen.
God's gonna look out for you now, all right? Hey, I wish that I could have helped as much as I could. Anything that I could have, Caitlin, it's gonna. Hey, You're gonna be all right. All right? It's gonna be all right. God's gonna look out. All right? All right, man. You good though, right?
Your grandma's on the phone. Maybe
All right.
talk with her. My bad, Joe.
Well, hey,
Yeah,
it's
but
a small,
I need
it's
him
a
to
small
calm
world.
down.
We'll see.
Sorry.
Hey,
He's talking down on the
thank
school.
you.
Cross, please. Thank you. So you were driving this car, and what did you see? I know. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to.
That's fine. I saw a mess in the road,
Yeah.
and I didn't know what was coming, where it was coming from, so I was trying to dodge. I don't remember somebody being in the road. I didn't see it.
Okay.
All I saw was the car.
Gotcha.
And I tried to slow down. I was going down this road, and I was just
Yeah.
down.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
So they're coming down. So did you see the people get hit? Or
I
did you hear it?
I heard it.
Okay.
And then I saw the baby. I was right here, and then I saw the baby go flying, and the mom flying. They flew in the air
Okay.
about 600 feet.
Okay.
And then I ran up and I was screaming.
Okay.
And I got the little girl, because me and her were talking in the store, where she was. And the baby was also, he wasn't breathing. And I went, okay, she started coughing, and then he quit breathing. And I did it again.
I just saw it just a little bit.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I know you want to get home, but I got people on their way here, the traffic guys, and they really need to interview you. You're like my only witness right now. Everyone else just saw the aftermath. Nobody saw.
There's another guy who was actually walking behind them. I think should be the husband.
I think that's the dad. Yeah, the
Yeah,
husband.
because the one that jumped after I started screaming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He turned around to pick up a phone apparently and missed the hit. He just heard it when he turned. Everyone was on the ground. You're the only person that saw it. It's a silver sedan, you said?
I'm sorry?
What kind of vehicle was it?
I'm not pretty sure which model was it, but it was a silver sedan, like
Okay.
it's a four-door sedan,
Like a four-door
you know,
sedan.
just a silver one.
And it was going this direction?
Yeah, it was this
You almost
kind of
stopped,
a
but
little bit here, and then took us.
Where were you guys when it happened?
into the
this is my car. And
Oh,
that's
just sitting right here?
Yeah.
I mean, we're just chatting because
We're
I
just
work here,
talking.
so.
Okay.
On the cameras, hopefully. I got two. You want this one or would you want this one?
I think this one is probably going to be the one that we're going to want to see first, possibly. And then I may or may not need to see inside the store right beforehand because they were inside the store and then they walked out. I'm assuming they would have walked right across here.
Got it.
I think that's the car right there.
The white one?
Yeah. Is there? Do you know of a way that we can save this this footage?
Oh, God.
This is going to be a major case that we're going to need this.
What do you mean? How does he got a video? He didn't show the cop. Do you got his number? You got a pen? Okay, that black guy that was here?
Yeah.
There was a black guy that was standing here.
Right, you were
So,
talking to him?
yeah, I gave him my grandma. I didn't even know him. So I gave him my grandmother's number.
Right.
And this is my grandma. Okay, grandma, this is the officer. What did he say exactly?
He said that he had a video.
Okay, so what was that number he called you from? We need that number right now. Wait, his name was what? Hold on, what was his name?
I called back.
All right.
Good answer. I called him.
I know, Grandpa. I know. I'm sorry. I'm trying to. It's just a lot going on. I don't know what to do. You know, Taeler been fighting so fucking much. Man, it's been bad.
72-year-old June Fenton was identified as the driver. Her claim? She thought she hit a dog. Her windshield shattered. 3 victims, no brakes, no attempt to help.
She was going south on 301 and thinks she hit a dog.
No, it just out of the blue. It was like on my windshield, and it's like, poof. It was. I'll never forget that sound. And then I felt bad, so I turned around to see if the dog was alive. Because even in Michigan, wherever I go, I go back and see when animals are, roadkill or whatever. And then I didn't see him on my side of the road, and then I saw people on the other side. So I thought, okay, they're gonna So if the dog is there, they'll pick him up or whatever. But and then home.
Okay.
And my car, I parked it in there, and I'm getting some tile work done.
So she has light in there.
And I haven't moved it since I came in. The windshield is a mess. I haven't backed it out at all.
Is that right? Okay. You mind if I just see
No.
the damage? Okay.
Should I report when I hit an animal? Should I report it?
It's always good to report it. Always.
Feel free.
Thank you very much.
Oh, please. You know, it's like boom. So then I just came back around, and I thought, because when I was in the car and I'm just driving along, and this has gotten worse. This was not like that.
Yeah. Sure.
June Fenton is charged with 2 counts of leaving the scene causing death, 1 count leaving the scene causing serious injury, and after Taeler's death, all 3 victims were officially counted under the law. A father now alone, 3 lives lost, and a crime that stunned Sarasota. Justice is coming, but healing may never come. If you want more shocking, real-life crimes, stories that will make your heart race and your jaw drop, subscribe to Operation Bodycam and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.